Welcome to our channel where we help you navigate real estate tools efficiently. Today, we are going to show you how to contact support directly within the Realtor.com app on your phone. Whether you are a buyer, seller, agent, or broker, first, open the Realtor.com app on your phone. Next, look for the More option located at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, scroll down until you find the Other section. In this section, click on Feedback. This will allow you to send your comments, questions, or concerns directly to the Realtor.com support team. Then, choose the category that best describes you. You can select buyer, seller, agent, broker, or other depending on your role in the real estate process. This ensures your feedback is directed to the right department for faster response. After that, enter your email address and your full name in the respective fields. This information is required so the support team can contact you back regarding your message. Next, choose the subject of your feedback. You will also need to provide a more specific description of your issue or suggestion. This step is important because it helps the support team understand the context of your message. Finally, enter your detailed message in the text box and click on Share Your Feedback. Your message will be sent directly to Realtor.com's support team.